Hello, welcome to the Hostal 1940. Just come in. You see they have a big living room, nice, beautiful furniture, lamps. This is the whole living for the 4 rooms.
There's 4 rooms here?
Yeah, they have 4 rooms and these beautiful paints.
Yes.
Painting. They have at least number 1 is here. They have 2 big beds. Enough space.
Air conditioning.
They have a split air conditioner. And they have this big closet. Some of them get upset, they can put inside. They have a TV.
Mini bar.
Mini bar, they have a nice bathroom too.
Safety deposit box. And a lovely remodeled bathroom. It's a nice room.
Yeah. Number 2 have the same as the number 1.
Okay. Identical rooms there. Okay.
They have the whole paint too.
Beautiful art.
This is number 3. They have a big bed.
Air conditioning. You guys have the light. TV.
They have TV. They have the bathroom.
Do you want to show them the bathroom?
Yes. This one, they have the bathroom. It's a big one too.
Very nice.
Have the space.
Uh-huh.
They have also TV. They have a split with the air conditioner. And they have a mini bar also. Put your video, motor, or something. Put there.
Very important.
Yeah. And the number 4 is in front. So they have 2 double beds. They have air conditioner. They have a TV. They have the bathroom. Nice color.
Yes.
And
Big
they have
high
a
ceilings.
mini bar also. Put something and video and water.
Awesome. Well, I can't wait for everyone to come see it themselves.
Welcome to 1940.
Okay.